In this video, I'm going to show you how to watch YouTube videos on an old TV, whether it's a CRT LCD or just a basic TV that doesn't connect to the internet. Don't worry if it doesn't have smart features or apps. I'll walk you through all the best ways to get YouTube working so you can enjoy your favorite videos on the big screen. First, check if your old TV has an HDMI input. Most models from the early 2000s and up do. If it does, grab a streaming device like a Fire Stick, Roku Express, or even a Chromecast. Plug it in, connect to Wi-Fi, and download the YouTube app. Boom, you're good to go. If you don't have an HDMI port but have composite red, white, yellow inputs, try using a media box like the Amazon Fire TV Cube or some older streaming sticks that support component output. Or use a laptop or tablet with HDMI out. Connect it to the TV and mirror YouTube from your device. Another simple trick. Use an HDMI to VGA or composite converter box. Plug in a Raspberry Pi or mini PC and run YouTube from there. Though this is more advanced. You can also connect your laptop directly to the TV via HDMI, open YouTube in your browser, and play videos straight from your computer. And if you want a no-tech solution, point your smartphone at the TV using a digital photo frame with YouTube integration, or prop it up and cast from your phone using a mini projector or screen mirroring device. Thanks for watching. If one of these methods helped you watch YouTube videos on your old TV, drop a comment below and let me know which setup worked best for you: streaming stick, laptop, or something else. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. See you next time.